Welcome to Tech Leveler. In this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mobile cellular data on your iPhone or iPad. So, whichever device you're on, you first want to go to the settings. Now you're in the settings, you'll see mobile services here. It could be called mobile data, wherever you are in the world. So you want to select that. As you can see, it's currently off. Now all you need to do is tap this top one here, so it's green, mobile data. And now mobile cellular or mobile data is turned on. You can change some options here, like mobile data options, roaming on, for instance, and there's many other options to choose from. And you can turn it off by tapping the mobile data off again. There's a second way to turn this on or off, and that is by coming to the home screen and swiping from the top right hand corner, and then selecting the mobile data icon in the top left hand corner here next to the aeroplane mode, and this will turn on mobile cellular data on your iPhone. So that is how to turn on or off mobile cellular data on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.